It's Wonder Washer to the rescue. It fits in the tiniest baths and the smallest kitchens, but don't be fooled by the compact size. It's a full-function electric washing machine. Just add detergent, fill the drum with water, and up to 2 pounds of laundry. Then lock on the lid and select the cycle. Standard for a regular wash and gentle for delicates. Now set the timer and the agitator action goes to work just like a full-size washer. In minutes your laundry's done. The specially designed lid allows you to drain the water without removing the laundry. Then it all fits together for compact, easy storage. The Wonder Washer makes a great travel companion for campers. Just the right size for boats. That's right. You'll save time, you'll save space, and you'll save money.
I'm really fine. 아무렇지 않은 척 아무도 모르게 조심하는데 또 티가 났나 봐. I'm really fine. 너와 함께 했었던 시간이 길었어.
Alright, I think we're all set. I think we got our load ready. Here's my load of stuff. Quite a bit. And I could probably fill it up even more, but this is my first one, so we're gonna just go with that. Now that towel, let's throw some stain remover on that. Definitely takes more than one pot. I'm gonna mix it with my Orty room temperature water. Adding your soap. Looks pretty good. And I'm going to turn this on real quick. And we're going to begin. Every 15 minutes, we have that barrel of laundry to do, plus the laundry I have a little bit in the back. But really, it's not a lot. So we'll see how long it takes for me to do all this laundry today. It's on standard now. You can do standard or gentle. And I'm going to do the full 15 minutes. Whoa. Mama. But your socks, your undies, your shirts, your pants, all that can be done in this thing. What is this? It's like a laundry blender. And see, I thought it'd be shaking all over the place a little bit more crazy. I'm glad it's not. I thought it'd be leaking water and... I'm impressed. I'm gonna see what it looks like on the inside. You can kind of see what's happening in there. All right, so let's talk about this. Cool so far. So I might have to do a rinse cycle. Normally it's not required to do a rinse cycle. They say you can just do one 15-minute wash and that's supposed to be it and you're good. So I'm gonna check it out to see what it looks like without doing the rinse, and then I might have to do another rinse. If so, it's not a big deal. We just do another 15 minutes of just warm water and then you're good to go. You put in the next load. So we're gonna check this out here. Okay. So far, so good. Ooh, this one's the real tester. And from the looks of it, did pretty good. It's pretty clean. So, interesting. But I think I'm gonna do another a rinse because it still feels soapy. I still feel like I put too much soap in there. Yeah. So a little more. Round 2. On to load number 2. Boop, boop. On to the third load of laundry. Third. We're dwindling down the barrel of clothes here. Complete and total failure. The Wonder Washer is getting returned. When I went to do my 5th load, the motor just broke. It wasn't spinning anymore. First, it was just like spinning a little bit and then it would stop. And I knew there was something wrong because before, for the other loads, it would go the whole time without stopping. I mean, it stopped for a second and then it'd spin the other direction. But now it's not spinning at all. And that was only like 5 loads. So Complete waste of time, complete waste of money. And I'm really sad because I really liked it. Like, I liked the product. I thought it was very easy and convenient, and it worked pretty good for those 4 loads, but I can't invest my money into another one because you can only refund your money once with Amazon, and then they don't give you a chance again. Like, if I were to get another product, it would be my last chance. Like, you have to keep it after that if it breaks after 4 times. So I'm really sad, and now I'm kind of back to the drawing board on washing clothes easy at home. See you next time. I don't know what else to say here.
Hello.
No. It's a giant root beer.
It is. Spinning. Love it.
I didn't say anything. I slurped some ice cream.
Well, hello there, dear. Enjoying my beautiful frost top A&W root beer float. You don't want me to. You don't like me. How are
Do you
you?
have good angles?
I'm as far back as I can get. That's as